Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Hello Kitty snowman. So first let's get started on the top right with our bow. And we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. On the top left hand side now we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving down on a diagonal, we're going to replicate that again on the bottom. Now on the top, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. And then again, moving down, let's replicate that again. Let's draw on the head now. So coming over to the left of this, on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the side. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. Let's move over on the right now, coming down, and we're going to curve this line around and then in, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. In the middle, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the nose. For the right eye now, we're going to move across and draw in an oval. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the left-hand side and replicate that. Moving in towards the top of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And now from here, from the whiskers on the top, we're going to curve this line out. In the middle, we're going to curve this line back out again. And then again, moving down on the bottom, arching that line over. Now on the side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. We'll do the same thing on the right-hand side. And then we're just going to continue that pattern as we come all the way around and in towards the bottom, coming around in a circular pattern, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now on the top, we're going to draw on the strap connecting the earmuffs. So we're going to draw in a curved line that arches around and then in towards the middle. And then again from the center on the top, we're going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then down on the right-hand side. Let's draw on the ears now. So above, we're going to curve this line up and then in on the left. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right, curving that up and then back down. Now let's draw in the scarf. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. Moving over towards the right, we'll replicate that, ending that at roughly the same height. Now we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Beside the head here, we're going to curve this line down on the right, and then we'll do the same thing over on the left. And now let's close off the rest of the scarf by curving this line all the way around and then in. And then we'll bring that across on the right-hand side. Now coming down, we're going to draw in a curved line. We'll leave a gap replicating that. And then we'll come down and do that 2 more times. Now moving over towards the left, we're going to bring this line up. Leaving a small gap, we're going to arch that line over. Again, we'll leave a gap, replicating that. And then we're just going to do that again 1 more time. Moving underneath now for the bottom of the scarf, we're going to curve this line down. And then again, we're just going to arch this line in towards the side. And then once more, we're just going to curve this line down. Now let's draw on the arms. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. We're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines that come out. And now above this, we're just going to draw in an oval, connecting that together. Now let's draw in the mittens for the hands. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in on the bottom. Let's draw the body now. So from this corner, we're going to curve this line around. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to continue to arch this line around and then in on the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right-hand side. We're going to draw in 2 hearts as we come down now for the button. So in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from that point, we're going to replicate that again, curving that line around and then back in. We're going to drop down and replicate that one more time. So in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again from that point, just curving this line up and then back through. And that is it. That's how you draw a Hello Kitty snowman. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.